There was a ship which was struck up for the want of a gyro spear, and gyro is the most critical part of a ship. And I was moving on transfer from Vizag to Visakhapatnam to Kochi, and the technical head of Visakhapatnam of Eastern Naval Command gave me that task, specifically knowing well I am going on transfer and I was doing well. So LO said, sir, you assign him the job, he will do that. Ship was stuck in harbor for 6 months. I was told, do something about how do we make this ship operational. And I took out a gyro spear from a decommissioned ship, installed on this ship within 15 days and make the ship operational and sailing. And when I went back and reported that to the technical head, who was a rear admiral, and that time I was just a lieutenant commander, he got up from his chair to receive me, something like that. So this type of things one can very rarely forget.